Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sri Inayati. I'm from the State Islamic University of Bukit Tinggi, majoring in Islamic Education. In this case, we will discuss the title of the article Positive Parenting Style in Education Alpha Generation Children in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era. The first discussion is about the introduction. Parenting as method used by parents in educating children with parental control participle. There are many parenting styles implemented in Indonesia, including authoritarian, permissive, and authoritative. These three parenting styles have their weakness and strength. Children in early childhood are individuals in the rapid development phase. Parents should really educate, assist, control, and guide the children. With technology advance, Alpha generation children grow and develop in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era. The era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 is also a digital era. Children are no longer familiar with gadgets that can influence their character. This is proven from the result of research conducted by Ramallah et al. 2019. A gadget can influence children's character formation in a direction that is not good for children who use gadget intensively. It becomes a challenge for every parent who has a alpha generation children. Let's continue the discussion of the methodology. The author used the systematic review method. There are several steps that need to be considered in a systematic review. This first step admits to facilitate the research for relevant literature reviews. The literature research must be sufficient to develop the current study. Selection was performed based in inclusion and exclusion criteria. Next we'll discussion the result and discussion. Number 1. Challenge of Industrial Revolution 4.0. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 era has advantages and disadvantages for human. Among the advantages or benefit of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era make human work easier, especially in industrial activities. Better data security is due to the connection to cloud computing. Human error is reduced because a controlled computer can produce consistent work. A sophisticated system can be controlled in real time. The disadvantages of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era reduced need for human labor in industrial process is due to automatic work by machines. Instead, issue regarding data security rise by integrating new system and increasing access to system. It required strict control from human during the production process. The challenge Indonesia education system will face in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era is instilling educational value to be developed. Number 2. Preparing the alpha generation children appreciation. The first, instilling value system. Instilling a value system in early childhood can be performed through a fairy tales. No. The second, critical thinking and innovating skill. Critical and creative thinking allows humans to come up with scientific or new discoveries. The three, teacher competence improvement and appreciation. Teachers shall keep their competence to keep up with this technological development. The fourth, personalized learning. Personalized learning can be provided by parents to equip children. The fifth, technology utilization. Parents of teachers shall use technology wisely with children. Uh, Number three, parenting style for alpha generation children. The appropriate parenting style for alpha generation children are authoritative and democratic parenting. Authoritative parenting teaches children rules and discipline. Democratic parenting style build cooperative cooperation and provides direction and guidance. Based on a study by Ubaidillah et al. 2022, training was performed through parenting activities. The strategy to educate the alpha generation in this area is to limit the use of gadgets by children. The strategy of limited gadget use is suitable for alpha generation children. Number four, parenting style. A parenting style is the interaction between parents and children in educating, guiding, disciplining, and protecting a child. According to Adelman, there are several tips for raising children is the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era. Supervising children when accessing the internet via smartphone is one of the tips. Selection appropriate content for children is another tip. Mastering information from digital media is also recommended. Evaluating, distributing, and producing positive and productive content is important. Number five, alpha generation. Child Development Express from the University of Indonesia. Anastasia Satrio cites that one of the characteristics of the alpha generation is digital literacy from an early age. It has resulted in getting used to instant things and unfamiliar with process. The alpha generation also has critical thinking due to abundant accessible information. This generation has drawback, bossy, dominant, like to control, dislike sharing, hesitant to follow rules, making technology a part of life, blind to the world without social network, and lack the ability to communicate directly. It concludes that the alpha generation has strengths and weaknesses. The appropriate education for alpha generation children is digital technology education, collaboration of digital technology during the learning process. Parents of teachers must be well educated in utilizing multimedia and internet facilities. Number six, Industrial Revolution 4.0. Industrial Technology 4.0 was first known in Gamerly 2011. This revolution is in the digital era where all mechanisms are connected via the internet or cyber system. Optimizing technology utilization as an additional tool is expected to produce output that can keep up with or change the times for the better. Education 4.0 is a response to the needs of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 is also called the disruption era. This era is interpreted as innovation or threat to large components in this era compete fiercely with invisible opponents. Quite a few components are bankrupt. Many challenges will be encountered in this Industrial Revolution 4.0 era in educational, economic, social, and other aspects. Everyone must work together in this matter. Together, a big challenge will be small. Uh, Next conclusion. So it can be concluded that this article discusses technology progress in interestingly developing day by day. We as humans currently cannot reject this progress. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 is known as the digital era. All machines are all machines are connected via the internet system or cyber system. Many jobs are operated by machine power. There are many challenges in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 that will be faced by the Alpha generation. The Alpha generation must be truly prepared to face the Industrial Revolution 4.0. It starts with the parenting style of parents in educating Alpha generation children. The right parenting style or strategy for educating Alpha generation children is authoritative democratic parenting. It can be concluded that the right parenting style is the instill the character value system as children. Religious values can also be instilled from an early age. Okay everyone, that's all my explanation. I hope it can be useful for us in educating children Alpha generation in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0. Thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.